As we come to the end of the year, I want to say two things to you today. First, a simple Christmas and New Year message in Chinese. Second, a little preview of what we will do together in 2026 on this channel. So let's start with the Chinese. Listen first. 圣诞节快乐，新年快乐。Again, 圣诞节快乐，圣诞节。So 圣诞节 is Christmas. Three sounds. 圣诞节，快乐，快乐 is happy. Happy Christmas. 圣诞节快乐，新年快乐，新年 New Year 快乐 Happy New Year. So learn these two phrases. It's very relevant today because it's 圣诞节 Christmas and soon New Year 新年. So in Chinese, every character has a meaning. So 圣诞节, although it just means Christmas, but every character has a separate meaning. So 圣 means holy. So when you hear the word or see this character 圣, it means holy. 圣经, that is Holy Bible. So that's 圣 holy. 诞 is birth, the birth of Christ. Holy birth, and 节 is festival. So you got different festivals. 节日 that means festival day. 圣诞节 Holy Birth Festival, Christmas. 快乐 that's happy. Very important word. You can say 我快乐 I'm happy. 我快乐你快乐 Now New Year 新年新 is new, 年 is year. So 新年 means New Year. So I want to wish you today 圣诞节快乐和新年快乐，新年快乐，圣诞节快乐。So you can already say a full Christmas and New Year greeting in Chinese. So let's say it together again once more, slowly. 圣诞节快乐，新年快乐。One more very useful pattern that can be used across many greetings. 祝你，祝你 wishing you, 你 you, 祝 means wish. 祝你圣诞节快乐 wishing you a happy Christmas. 祝你新年快乐祝你祝你 That's it. 我祝你新年快乐 I wish you Happy New Year. You can also apply this to other things. For example, 学习 We learned that before. 学习 is to study. 快乐 We learned that today. Happy. 我祝你学习快乐 I wish I wish you happy study. 我祝你学习快乐 A new word perhaps you might like to learn. Just listen to it. If you don't, doesn't matter. shunli. shunli. 我祝你学习顺利 I wish your studying goes smoothly. Really, I do wish your Chinese studies to go smoothly in 2026. So 我祝你学习顺利也 also 快乐我祝你学习快乐我祝你学习顺利 Now let's talk a little about this channel and about the coming year, 2026. This channel is still very young. As I speak, there are 50 of you, my subscribers, and I thank you. My first lessons on Chinese from zero were published only in October, about 2 months ago. So this is our very first Christmas and New Year message here together. Some of you found this channel very early, maybe from my English channel, maybe from my health channel, or maybe just by searching on YouTube. Many of you also watch quietly, maybe without commenting, and I also want to say thank you. My idea for this channel is simple: to help adult learners, maybe you're 25, 35, 45, to start Chinese from zero with clear tones, calm explanations, and a step-by-step path. In 2026, I want to continue this path with you. We will keep building Chinese from zero lessons, so you can move from lesson 1 to 10 into the next level, lesson 11 to 20. I want to develop more pronunciation and tone practice so you can finally feel more confident with with Chinese tones. Create more everyday dialogues and small stories, micro stories, so you can hear simple, natural Chinese using words you already know. And add short videos that review key phrases from time to time, always connected to the main lessons, not random. My hope is that by the end of next year, if you follow the lessons and practice out loud, you'll be able to introduce yourself, talk about your day, travel, work in simple situations, and feel less afraid of tones and pronunciation. But I also want this channel to listen to you. So I have a small invitation for you. In the comments section, you can try to write one sentence in Chinese using patterns from today or the ones that you've learned recently. For example, 我祝你新年快乐. You can just write it in pinyin without the tones. 我祝你新年快乐. 我祝你学习顺利. You can copy these or just change one part. And in English, please also do me a favor. Where are you watching from? What do you want to learn most in Chinese in 2026? More basic sentences? More tone practice? More everyday dialogues? Your comments will help me plan the next lessons and choose which topics to record first. So once again, from my heart, 新年快乐. 圣诞节快乐，新年快乐！我祝你新年快乐，学习顺利，也学习快乐。Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I wish you peace, steady progress in your Chinese, and that you can enjoy your learning as well. 学习快乐。Thank you for learning with me on Chinese from zero. See you in the next lesson. See you in the new year.